Shut up and sit down.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Alexis with Financial Phoenix, and I am here today to provide you with two all digital deals for Dollar General this coming Saturday, May 16th. We have some awesome deals this week. I'm really excited to share them with you guys. I'm sorry I'm not on camera. I did not put my face on this morning, so I decided that you guys probably would rather skip that. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and get into the deals this week. Like I said, they're both all digital, very beginner friendly. If you've never couponed at Dollar General before, there's always a link down in the description box for our beginner videos. We have a playlist for those. You can check that out. If you've never couponed at Dollar General and you don't know what I mean when I say 5 off of 25, those videos will help you. Basically, we're doing a deal and we're taking $5 off the top when we reach that $25 threshold. So that's that. Like I said, no instant savings, no extra stuff this week, just all digital stuff, all digital coupons, no paper coupons required. So let's go ahead and get started. For deal number one, we're going to start by utilizing one of my favorite sales, which is this big bottle of Palmolive right here. This is buy two, get one free. So you're going to pick up two of these. I believe it's the 44 to 56 ounce of the Palmolive or 32.5 ounce. I'm not sure. It says both there. So check in store when you get there. But buy two, you're going to get one free. They're $3 a piece. So that's $9 toward your $25 total. But you're taking three back right off the top. Next, pick up one of the Chic Classic women's razors. You're looking for this 3-pack. It's $4, and we're going to go ahead and use this $3 off digital coupon, making it just $1. Okay, we haven't gotten a good deal on cereal in a while, so I'm kind of excited about this. You're going to pick up two of the General Mills cereals. The Cinnamon Toast Crunch, I believe, counts. The Kisses definitely counts. These are 2 for $5 this week, but we also have this digital coupon. Okay, and we have this digital coupon for $1 off of one Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Chocolate Toast Crunch, Hershey Kisses cereal. So yeah, you could get the $1 off since you're buying two of those for $5. Over here, we also have the purchase $1 off of any two Kellogg cereals, but it also includes General Mills cereals, Honey Nut Cheerios. We've got Chocolate Toast Crunch, Reese's Puffs, Lucky Charms, Quaker Life, any of those, it looks like. So you could try two of the Chocolate Toast Crunch cereals, right? And there's no guarantee that this will work, but you could definitely try it because look, this is a store coupon and this is a digital manufacturer's coupon. This counts for one Chocolate Toast Crunch and this counts for the purchase of two. So you could theoretically save $2 by doing that. You're also going to pick up 2 packs of the Big Pens. You can get the black or the blue. You could also get something, like these retractable ball pens or something like that. The coupon is only good for writing utensils, so anything is fine. Just know that these are going to be your best shot for a really low out-of-pocket cost. So pick up 2 of those, $1.50 a piece for $3. And then you're going to use this $2 off any 2 Bic writing instruments coupon, making both packs just $1, so 50 cents each. Okay, last but not least, pick up one of the Tampax tampons. You can get the Pearl or the Radiance. You just want to make sure that you're picking up at least a 14 count. Some of these 18 count boxes count and they're the same price, so get a couple more for your money there. But basically, we're going to use this digital coupon for $2 off, making it just $2 of the Pearl, Radiant, or Pure tampons, 14 count or higher. Okay, and that wraps up our first transaction. I just wanted to give you an idea of what you can expect at the register. Your store coupon for the General Mills cereal doesn't work With the manufacturer's coupon, you're going to look at an out-of-pocket cost of $9 for 9 items, so about $1 an item, which is not bad for any of this. And if your General Mills store and manufacturer's coupons work together, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $8 for 9 items, or about 88 cents per item. That is fantastic when you consider these big boxes of cereal and all the great stuff we're getting on this order. Really excited about this, guys. This is an awesome one. And we haven't had a cereal deal in a while, so I am excited about that. I'll definitely be doing this deal this weekend. One thing I wanted to note too, you guys really liked this in the last video that I did, so I tried to do it again this time to give you guys some options. I did not repeat any of the coupons from this first transaction in the second transaction that we're going to do. So if you have multiple accounts, or if there's another member of your household who has an account, if you have a paper 5 off of 25 and a digital 5 off of 25, you can do both deals. And you don't need to repeat any of these digital coupons for that. So hopefully you guys like that. You can get some extra deals in this weekend. Also, remember too that because we're social distancing, I can't go in the store to pre-scan any of these items for you guys. So sometimes you could run into something that doesn't work. Just make sure you're using your Dollar General app on your phone inside the store to scan items to make sure that they're attaching to the correct coupons. That's really important and will save you a lot of trouble at the register. Okay, next up is my favorite thing in the whole world. Can you say cheap laundry? Cheap laundry. Cheap laundry. My favorite thing. So we're going to do this sale, which I absolutely love, which is the 2 for $8 on the Snuggle and the All products. So you can get the detergent, you can get the scent boosters, the dryer sheets, whatever. Get 2 of those for $8, and then we're going to use this $4 off of 2 coupon, making it just $4 for both, or $2 a piece, but we're going to take it down even lower than that. Don't you worry. Next, you're going to pick up 1 bag of the Arm & Hammer Power Packs. These are the little detergent pods, and this 17 count for $4 is what I would recommend to keep your out-of-pocket costs low. We have this digital coupon for $1 off, but you could also pay an extra $1 and get the 32 count, which really, is a big increase in the amount that you get for that extra $1. You also could do the liquid Arm & Hammer. Let me show you that here as well. But it's a separate coupon, so you have to make sure you have both clipped. This is save $1 on Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent, no size requirement. So let's take a look here. It looks like the cheapest liquid laundry detergent is going to be the $5 version. So again, you're spending that extra $1. Depends on how bad you want that super low out-of-pocket cost that we're going to get at the end. Okay, next you're going to pick up this Bic Soleil, Simply Soleil razor pack. It is $3.30, but look what we have. It's a $4 coupon, meaning overage. Overage, my favorite word. So you're going to get about 70 cents overage for this item. This coupon should have no problem working. It's for Bic Soleil disposable razors. It only excludes trial and travel size, which this is not. This is a 3 razor pack? Yeah, 3 razor pack. So definitely no issue there. That's super exciting. Again, always make sure you're scanning items just to be sure, but I don't think you'll have any issue getting overage on this item, which will count toward the rest of your transaction. We're also going to pick up the Bic Flex Wand Multi-Purpose Lighter. This is really good to have going into the summer for lighting grills or campfires or just candles around the house, whatever. Just a really helpful thing to have. I didn't realize it was only $3.50. This is going to be a really nice buy for us. So pick one of those up for $3.50. And then we've got this $2 off Bic multi-purpose lighters in the household section. Now, it's not the regular category section. Now, see, household and paper products has 30 coupons in it. You're looking for this weird one over here that's only got 1 coupon. That's, for whatever reason, how mine shows up. So anyway, it's $2, and we're taking it off of a $3.50 item, so we're looking at $1.50 for this multi-purpose lighter. Okay, next we're gonna pick up some CoverGirl mascara, which is different because usually when we have this coupon for CoverGirl eye product, I'm telling you to buy the brow pencil or the black eyeliner, which is $4, but we want to make sure this time that we're hitting that $25 threshold. So go ahead and pick up one of the $5 mascaras. Oops, let me show you here. There we go, one of the $5 mascaras, and use that coupon on that, making it just $2. Last but not least, for this second transaction, pick up the Oral-B Indicator Clean Contour Toothbrush. It is $2 for just the 1-count manual toothbrush. Make sure you're getting that variety though, because that is one of the few varieties that work with this coupon. You're going to save $1 on that, making it just $1. Your subtotal before tax for this second transaction should be $25.80. And after all of your coupons and your 5 off of 25 come off, make sure you have your 5 off of 25 clipped. Your out-of-pocket cost before tax is going to be $5.80 or just 82 cents per item. And that is phenomenal. So excited to do both of these deals this coming Saturday. Let me know in the comments if you guys are looking forward to it. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I hope you really found it helpful. If you did, leave us a thumbs up. It helps support our channel every time you do that. And remember to save money, make money, and dream big, guys. I'll catch you later.
Shut up and sit down.